Hey guys, what's up? The Best Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing some photos. So yeah, let's get into it. So it seems like we only have one photo today, and it's of this coach, which is... I'll have a look on eBay quickly. If you guys are wondering, it is a... Oh, I can't tell. Hurry up, stupid thing, load. Thank you very much. The coach is the reg is JU13BUS, so yeah. It's a double deck coach, as you can see. Don't know what company it is, but who cares. I think it's a Jumbo Cruiser or something like that. So yeah, here's the front of the photo and the back. Just get the thumbnail quickly. There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.